Welcome to the front lines. When was the last time that you spoke with a CPA and were discussing one of their trade magazine articles? Well, in the Journal of Accountancy, I was reading an article not long ago that was discussing some of the biggest concerns CPAs are facing today. For small practices, they vary a little bit different from the larger practices. But I think knowledge is power. So the more that you can understand what they're going through, the more you're going to be able to relate to them. You'll also be able to demonstrate to them that you are paying attention. You're paying attention to their profession, their industry. And that's going to be something that's going to differentiate you from most financial advisors. You're not there to sell necessarily the products and services, which is what they're used to and accustomed to. So some of the biggest concerns for some of the smaller practices are keeping up with the changes of the tax law. They don't have the brain trust. They don't have the bandwidth to stay on top of it. They don't have somebody that they can bounce ideas off of. So that's probably their biggest concern. The other one that comes up is obviously bringing in new clients. But for small businesses, small practices, they're also very concerned with client retention as well. And the fourth thing that the article states was just the seasonality of the business, the compression of time and managing that. That's a big concern for them. These are all things that are the current topics of concerns. They vary from what they were in the past. The larger firms, they've got other concerns. They're concerned with succession planning. What's going to happen when they want out? Finding qualified staff on all levels and retaining that qualified staff. Obviously, they always want to have more clients, and so that's always a concern. But the big piece for the larger firms was the owner accountability piece. How that they can keep them accountable and on task, and the unity of the firm. So I would recommend that you look into the trade magazines and see what they're writing about. So that way, when you're out there with the CPAs, they can see that you absolutely know what's going on in their profession. Have a great day.